Okay, this is the long-awaited part 2 of the Smith Corona key whitening. Over how I use this 50-volume hydrogen peroxide cream developer to whiten the keys on this beautiful Smith Corona Super Silent. Look at all of that. Now I'm going to do my unveiling. These keys look fantastic! Oh, I can't believe it. They were yellow and horrible, and boy, I really packed that stuff in there, didn't I? And now they are lovely light. They were supposed to be a little bit off-white. You can see the little logo here, the decal. Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm wrestling with it. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, it's fighting me. There is a lot of cream holding that in place. That didn't sound right. So, ta-da! Oh, I'm so excited. This looks fantastic. And you can see how now the keys perfectly match the logo and the name that's written up there. It's kind of this cream off-white, and there's no weird stains or discoloration or unevenness. Look at how perfectly, evenly off-white all of the keys are. Oh, I'm super stoked. Since I don't have great before and after pictures here, this is the knob, and this is the inside of the platen knob that I did not treat, and you can see the difference in the color between this and this. This was what the keys look like before. This nasty yellow, and this is what they look like now. So feel free to go to my profile, and you will see the key whitening video. Check that out, and check out this amazing difference. Oh man, this thing, it's worth so much more money now. Woot woot.